With that, that was the final session for the day. It seems to have whizzed by. We heard across all the, I think, exciting areas in AI, from defense to world models, language models, recursive superintelligence, some hardware optimizations, and some tips for deploying AI into your growth stage startup. As a reminder, a lot of this is to drive more connectivity with the community across big tech companies, startups, academia, policies. So if you haven't taken advantage already to really meet your peers here, I really encourage you to do that. There's other opportunities to do so offline. We'll post a bunch of these videos with, obviously, speaker consent online on our YouTube channel. It'll take us a couple of days to process them. You can find also all the historic ones from 8 years ago, 9 years ago or so. So good posterity. The State of AI report is going to come up, at least the writing of it, this summer for release in early October. And as a little widget indicates, I'm looking for research analysts to help out and also reviewers. And if you are publishing a paper or coming up with some kind of interesting finding that you think would be a powerful factoid for the narrative in the report, definitely drop me a line so we can look at potentially including it in there. I want to, again, thank our partners and sponsors that really help us put on a good show today. So Cooley and Lambda, again, best GPU firm and best law firm out there. And yeah, if you want to keep in touch, you have our contact details here, whether it's for participating in these events in the future, volunteering, if you're raising capital, if you're negotiating a spin out with the university, got expertise in that too. And if you want to write things together for Airstreet Press, definitely let us know. And with that, excited to tell you, see you next year.